It's weird because ES, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq are moving. Guess it's just one of those days. It's okay. Having lots of buy pressure here. So I'm joining bid here. Stop loss set. All that is set. I set it at 70 points because this seems like it's where an imbalance would be. And yes, there is. There is an imbalance there. So we'll go for that imbalance and we'll see how the trade goes. If we decide to continue moving up or not. That selling look worries me. We'll see. Overall the trade made sense, so going. See if we keep going. It looks okay, but yeah, it looks alright. Oh, we almost hit take profit with that one. The way that candle moved, goodness gracious, we almost hit take profit. Do it again. I'm gonna move over to break even, actually. Make this trade risk free. So now all we have to do is wait for it to hit take profit. If we do get too much selling pressure, we might just exit early. Would have been great. Would have been great if we had to take profit just right there. Let's see. Trade is at break even. It's risk free. I do believe it should hit take profit. Oh, we got a lot of selling pressure here though. Why do we have so much selling pressure? I don't know. Because there's no imbalance here. There's no like negative imbalance here, so having selling pressure at this price area is odd. But it's okay. We broke out of it anyway. Okay. I feel like I miscalculated my take profit. 0306. Oh, 450306. No. I got it right. It's okay. 45036. If we do get a negative candle, if this candle ends bearish, I might have to exit. We'll see. We have the buying pressure, so I mean, not too worried. See if we could get there to that imbalance. Ugh, we get so close, but yet we're so far. Every time. We get so close, but yet so far. And I ask myself, why? I'm going crazy. Oh, goodness. Crazy? I was crazy once. I traded Dow Jones in a dark, calmly lidded room by myself, and it's the lonesome that made me crazy. I know it's gonna hit, but I'm just gonna move this just because I can. That's why. Because I can. I know it's gonna hit take profit. Or I don't know. You can't know everything in the market. You can't really know anything. Market's unpredictable. Papa Trump could just get on here and say, hey, we're going to war. And I'd be like, oh, no. How dare you? And then I cried. But yeah, regardless, this is an evaluation, so just gotta keep rolling through the punches. It's an evaluation anyway. I would like to see this, though, hit full take profit. It would be nice. Give me that dopamine. No? Okay. That's fine, too. Let's see how this candle closes before we close our position. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Can we make it look better now? Now that the candle closed? Yes, we can. Now can we hit full take profit so I can leave and never have to look at this computer until the next day? We'll see. To be continued. And same thing, once this trade hits, I'm gonna go ahead and explain it. Oh, I got bamboozled. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. There's no way. Our order never got filled. Oh, this is sad. Right at the imbalance. Please. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. That would have been so tragic if we just fell. If the price just fell afterwards, that would have been so tragic. Absolutely tragic. Okay. So, we're gonna switch screens really quick. Do 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 do. Okay. How does this look? Does it look like... Oh. It looks so messed up because the screen is bigger. Hold on. I'll fix it. I'll do my very best to fix it. Gotta see if you can, gotta make sure you guys can see the prices and everything. Gotta make sure I can see the prices. Okay. So, the trade. Let me go ahead and get the exact entry points. Just so I can be Mr. Accurate. Because I do prefer being accurate. Let's go here. The good old footprint chart. And by the way, this is what the imbalance I was talking about right here. This is where the imbalance was. And that's where the take profit was. And notice, price went down as soon as that happened. Doesn't that just make you feel good? Let's see, regardless, I mean, like I said, in the beginning of the entire trade, I told myself if the trade doesn't go to my expected area, it overall was a good trade because I literally checked all the boxes in terms of a reversal and it went perfect. So I'm more happy that I was disciplined and patient than this trade actually hitting the take profit because that discipline and patience doesn't come easy. It really doesn't, especially when it comes to trading. So we entered at the very beginning of the 7:05 candle or 10:05 candle if you want to talk East Coast time. So right here, stop loss was, I believe I had an 18-point stop loss, mainly because of these imbalances right here. If these imbalances, oh goodness gracious, excuse me. If these imbalances got rejected, would have been over. But yeah, so take profit was a little further, a little further. 0 through 5, yeah. So there was an imbalance here. It was this one right here, but for some reason, goodness gracious. But for some reason, it decided not to show up anymore. It just didn't want to be there anymore, I guess, you know? It didn't like me. Is what it is. But yeah, so I'm gonna drag this over. And I think, yeah, we hit it right there. So drag it on back. All right. So what exactly anticipated me into this trade? We entered into these imbalances down here, which I mentioned in the very beginning. Hopefully that doesn't get cut out. If it does, I'm sorry. But yeah, we did enter into imbalances here at the very beginning, and I told myself, hey, if we get into these imbalances, I'm expecting us to have some buy pressure and a move up. What did we get? We got some buy pressure, some positive volume, and a move up. And then we had an entry. This candle started having selling pressure, which was where I was a little weary in regards to the trade. But afterwards, it all ended up working out considering there was a sufficient amount of buy pressure. So with that buy pressure, we ended up continuing. We had some sort of announcement, I guarantee you, because when we wicked up right here so quickly, that had to be an announcement of some sort. So not too sure what it was, but you know, politics be politics. And I just look at numbers. So yeah. Overall, the entire trade was a great setup, even if the trade, like I've mentioned, would go red and I'd be down for the day. I'd absolutely be okay with it because I followed my plan, I followed my rules, I followed my discipline. There was nothing in here that gave me doubt of having an entry other than the fact I was looking for confirmation and more buy pressure, which I've gotten. So, yeah. At the end of the day, patience was my virtue, discipline was everything, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So, with that said, I'll go ahead and end this video and see what tomorrow brings.